हेलो बच्चों, let's read the question. तो क्वेश्चन में given है कि an electron is traveling along the x direction. It encounters a magnetic field in the y direction. Then its subsequent motion will be what? Right? So इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा जो key concept that will be motion of a charged particle in a magnetic field. Let's say कि a particle of charge plus q is moving with velocity v, and there is a magnetic field b vector, and the angle between the velocity and the magnetic field is, let's say, theta, right? So the force due to magnetic field on that charged particle will be q into v cross v, or you can say equals to qvb sine theta, right? And from thumb rule we can find the direction of the magnetic force, that will be in upward direction in this case, right? Now let's draw the coordinates first. So this is our x direction, this is our y, and this is the z axis, right? Now question में given है कि an electron is traveling along the x direction. So ये यहाँ पर let's say इलेक्ट्रॉन है जो कि x डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है. It encounters a magnetic field at y direction. So there is a magnetic field in the y direction. So the angle between them will be 90 degree. And what we know, that magnetic force, that is Fb, is equals to Q into V cross B. So from here you can find the direction, that is in the minus z axis direction. That will be the direction of the force due to magnetic field, right? So if we see the motion of this particle, so this particle will do a circular motion like this, right? And at every point of that circular path there acts a magnetic force which is acting toward the center of the circular path, right? So it will do a circular orbit, circular path in exact direction, exact plane. So the correct answer is B, that a circle in the exact plane, right? So hope you understand it. Best of luck.